Nigerian actor Olariwaju Omiyinka, also known in the industry as Baba Ijesha, has been sentenced to 16 years imprisonment by the Ikeja Domestic Violence and Sexual Offences Court for sexual assault of a 14-year-old minor. The minor, who was sexually assaulted by Baba Ijesha, is a foster child of Nigerian comedian and actress Damilola Adekoya, popularly known as Princess. Now, after the court had sentenced Baba Ijesha, an actor in the industry, Yomi Fabiyi, while supporting his friend and colleague Baba Ijesha, told pressmen that he be allowed to appeal the case.
All right, my name is Yomi Fabiyi, and like I always tell you, fair trial, fair hearing is part of human rights. And in this case, you can understand that Lagos State government allows that the victim, the defendant, and the public, they have their rights protected. And that is what we're saying. And the argument of the defendant is that he's not guilty. And we need to also understand that if he's not guilty, they also have the opportunity of appealing. It is still within his statutory right. So the fact that he's been found guilty of some charges, some is not guilty. That is what we're calling a proper democratic society. So we should allow the defendant to exercise his entire fundamental right, which is going to appeal, if necessary, to challenge the ruling of this court. And of course, I always tell you that is what I stand for. And there is no point denying the man at his case because we are colleagues. Others can choose to deny him, I will not. And what I am fighting for is the rights of everybody involved, the victim, the defendant, and the public. And the only way all that can be established is the court of law. And that is it. A lot of people even say, he's dragging too much, they will throw the case away. Now they say that there is no bias. But of course, they should not forget that the person being accused and convicted still have an ample opportunity to challenge the ruling of this court, to prove his innocence.
Now, the statement by Yomi Fabiyi did not go down well with Princess, whose foster child has been a victim of sexual assault. Princess, in an Instagram live, using the Bible, rained curses on Fabiyi.
If Jesha was sentenced today, you came to court to say, ó fẹ́ appeal. Appeal. Ìwọ tó ò tí mọ nǹkan tó ń bọ̀ fún ẹ. Go and count everybody that you came with. Those you brought to court, go and count them. Lọ wò wọ́n lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, níbo ló wà? Àwọn míì ti kú, àwọn míì wà lórí àìsàn. Bó jẹ́ fẹ́ gbọ́, Yomi Fabiyi títí di ìran kejì ẹ, gbogbo ọmọ tó bá ti ara ẹ jáde ni mo sọ. Gbogbo ọmọ tó bá ti ara ẹ jáde, ò ní jèrè wọn. Gbogbo ilé tí o bá wọ̀, wàá mú ẹkún wọbẹ̀. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí o bá tẹ̀ á ṣókùnkùn fún ẹ, wàá béèrè fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á kọ ẹ̀yìn sí ẹ. Àdàbí tí Bíbélì yìí tí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó bá sọ wípé ká má tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run fẹ́ ká tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ó fẹ́ràn àwọn ọmọdé. Yomi Fabiyi láti èní lọ ó dẹni ìkọ̀sílẹ̀. Gbogbo ibi tí o bá lọ ò ní rí àánú Ọlọ́run. Láti èní lọ ìbínú Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́ta ìlérò ó bọ́ sí orí ẹ̀. Yomi Fabiyi, nítorí pé o kọ̀ o dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn èmi àti ẹbí mi, because you decided láti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dí eṣiṣi tó ń bá òkú wọnú sáré. Bí Fẹ́rò àti àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe parun sínú òkú pupa tí wọ́n parẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ṣe máa parẹ́. Ní orúkọ Jésù, ní agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, ní agbára tó wà nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, àdàbí tí Bíbélì bá sọ pé kí a má tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. But if the Bible does not support evil, if the word of God does not support evil, Yomi, you still left your home today to come to court, to continue to try and victimize the survivors, to try and play, I don't care what you're doing, whether you are doing wanting clout or I don't care. I'm not one for clout. I don't have time for that.
Kindly subscribe to this channel, Newspop NG, and do not forget to drop your comments down the comment section. Thanks for watching.